Hello and welcome to the KMT Traders channel. Before we delve into our Bitcoin analysis, I'd like to highlight that our exclusive free Discord group is limited to 100 members. To secure your spot and gain access to our trading strategies and discussions, click the link in the description. In our Discord, we share detailed trade setups and strategies. Recently, we identified a counter-trend move, anticipating an upward price push. Counter-trend trades carry inherent risks, but this particular setup was successful, resulting in a strong upward price reaction. Looking ahead, I anticipate a potential sell-off between the current move, identified as Wave 1, and a potential higher move, referred to as Wave B. I expect further price increases. My target sell point lies between Wave B and Wave 1, marking the completion of Wave 2. This anticipated movement should lead to a decline below Wave 1, initiating Wave 3, a potentially stronger move. To stay ahead in the trading game and collaborate with us, join our trading group via the link in the description. Your participation will grant you access to real-time trade analysis, market discussions, and a community of like-minded traders. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in our Discord community.